for me personally, my biggest challenge was learning um, how to be a coach. Uh, there is a big difference between being a friend who listens and being a
Right.
coach who's holding someone accountable, who is helping someone move across this said bridge. So it is just, and like I used to say before, I am this person who, when you come to me with your, with your story, my first instinct is to be like, oh, come here, let me hug you. It's gonna be all right.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
my first instinct. It's like I want to, but that's an enabling thing. So
Right.
you can do that, but only to an extent. So there's again very lots of distinctions between being a friend and being a coach, and
Yes.
learning those and making sure that and like putting that instinct at the back burner so that I can be a coach and actually help them move somewhere more empowering. I have to make sure that I don't be the person that enables them stay in their disempowered state. So
Mm.
that was a huge learning. It took a long time for me to be able to do that switch. And then also when you have run a coaching business, it's a business. So you have to do all the things. I just want to coach. I just want to talk to people. I just want us to, it's like, and then I want to geek out on the psychology of it all.
Yeah.
But then I also have to run a business. It's like, it's the
Yeah.
media, it's the marketing, it's like, it's all of those things that,
Yes.
ugh.
Yes. Yes.
And so you're doing all of that at the same time. There's part of you that wants to give it away, but I think there's also value in learning how to do all of those things. So for
Yeah.
me, what I came to realize is it's not going to happen immediately. So for me, the challenge was just realizing that it's all part of the learning path and it's all good. And so now I'm not expecting me to be perfect at it like immediately.
Mm.
I'm still experimenting with different things. I still suck at certain areas. Oh, my Instagram. Please don't look at my Instagram.
Ooh, I'm gonna go see now.
But yeah, it's how do you say it? Um it became an avenue for me to coach myself around, um knowing that yes, this is all part of the journey of building a coaching business.
Yes.
So when I first started, I used to conflate the both of them. Or I used to, it's like, I'm not doing this, that means I'm not a good coach. And I was like, no, 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 no. You coach fine. Everyone that it's like you're seeing the results from your coaching. Your
Mm.
marketing is different. So keep that separate. And then let's
Mm.
think about how are we going to think about this and where do we want to improve and what's the next best step for making that better. But yeah, that's been my learning. I wouldn't say it's also
Mm.
been a challenge.
Mm.